Students, we have studied the first paragraph of the topic at the high school. Students, let us see the second paragraph today. The second paragraph is like this. My own recollection is that I did not have any high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships. But I very jealously guarded my character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes when I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit a review. It was unbearable for me. I remember having once received corporal punishment. I did not so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was in the first or second standard. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. Dorabji Adulji Jimmy was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today, I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. Let us see the unfamiliar words. The first word is recollection. Recollection is noun, a memory of the past. Its verb form is recollect. I do not recollect exactly when it happened. Next page, not have any regard for something. That means not giving importance. Not have any regard for something means not giving importance. He does not have any regard for his study. This is a sentence. Jealously, adverb, very carefully. He jealously controlled his anger. Guard means watch over. Next, merit. Merit here is a verb. Merit means to deserve. Your suggestion merits further discussion. Another word, that is corporal punishment. Corporal punishment means punishment by beating, जोटा हमें शारीरिक दंड बोली कहती. Desert. Desert here is a verb. Desert means reward or punishment that is deserved. Pity. Pity is noun. Feeling of sadness. Its adjective form is piteous and its adverb form is piteously. Piteously means painfully. Shyness is the noun. Being nervous in the company of others. Being nervous. लाजकुला प्रकृतिटाକୁ shyness कहନ୍ତି. Shy, adjective form. He is very shy at school. Blemish. Blemish here is a noun, a moral defect or fault. Blemish. Another word is aloofness, noun, act of staying away from something. दूरेई ଯିବା जोटा. False notion means false idea, जोटा ओडिया रे भ्रांत धारणा बोली कहନ୍ତି. Another word is gymnastics, physical exercise. There is a phrase, have nothing to do with something. It means not related with something, unrelated. Your advice has nothing to do with this case. माने तमर उपदेश एक केस संपर्कित नुहे. This is the words in the second paragraph. Let us see the summary of the second paragraph. Gandhi did not give much importance to his ability, so he was surprised when he got any prize or scholarship. The only thing he was very cautious about was his character. Building the character was more important for him than anything else. Even the slightest defect in his character brought tears in his eyes. Dorabji Adulji Jimmy, his headmaster, was a disciplinarian and a popular teacher. He made cricket and gymnastics compulsory for upper standard boys. Gandhi did not like the both. He did not take part in any sports and games because of his shyness. To him, gymnastics had no relation with education, but later he realized that games had much place in education. This is the summary of the second paragraph. Let us see the questions. What was he very much careful about? He was very much careful about his character. Second question, how did he react when blamed? He broke into tears. That means tears welled up in his eyes when he blamed. What was more important for Gandhi? Building character or building an untarnished character was more important for Gandhi. Let us see question number 4. Why did Gandhi get corporal punishment? He got punishment for his mistake. He had made a mistake, so he got corporal punishment. Who was his headmaster? His headmaster was Dorabji Edulji Jimmy was his headmaster. Why was his headmaster popular? Because he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. So he was very popular. Question number 7. What was made compulsory for upper standard boys? Gymnastics and cricket. Who made compulsory gymnastics and cricket for upper standard boys? Dorabji Edulji Jimmy, his headmaster, made compulsory gymnastics and cricket. Why did Gandhi dislike gymnastics and cricket? Why? He did not participate in games because of his shyness. He was very shy, so he did not participate in any games or any sports event. Besides, he believed that gymnastics had no relation with cricket. He believed, so that's why he did not take part in gymnastics and cricket. Question number 9. What false idea did Gandhi have about games? He believed that games had no relation with cricket. Who believed? Gandhi believed. What were his views on games later? When he grew older, he realized that physical education had much place in the curriculum as mental training. He realized that physical education is also related with education. So these are the questions that we will find in the second paragraph. So students, this is for today.